Hi, Gemini. This is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Gemini, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. I love you. I don't know, can you see the glitter on my table? It's your energy, Gemini. What are the messages for Gemini? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Okay, the Fool in reverse. Okay, Seven of Cups, the Hermit card, Five of Wands. I think even Aquarius got this card. You could have Aquarius in your chart, or you could be dealing with an Aquarius. Aquarius had this card also. Okay, then Gemini. I feel you're not ready to take impulsive decisions. I mean, in the past, you have taken decisions on the spur of the moment, something that felt great at that point in time, but then it did not turn out to be really well. I mean, really beneficial for you. Because when it comes to love, you seek stability. You seek somebody who has everything going for them: money, love, loyalty, good home, great family, emotional, physical, mental, spiritual compatibility. But you were betrayed in the past, and you are now really confused about how to go about finding your true love, right, Gemini? Also, I feel with the Hermit card being here, um, you see, in the recent past, you've gone through some deep hurt, a lot of emotional turmoil has pushed you into isolation. You are looking at things that are not in your life anymore, as opposed to the things that are coming your way and which are great. You're looking at spilt milk and crying, right? Now, I don't blame you because sometimes we are so hurt by other people's actions, especially those who we were rooting for, that it's so difficult to look up and see the bigger picture in life. And you're constantly torn between, I still love this person, but I can't be with them. But how about I give them another chance? But no, they haven't changed. So these are all mental turmoils that you're going through. But I feel there's some kind of beautiful news coming your way. Now let's see if it is about love or what. Yeah, lots of communication coming your way. If you are, I feel for some of you guys, you were going to marry this person, but then they turned out to be something horrible. Okay, you've got the Hangman and you've got the Page of Wands. So I feel some great news is coming your way. But when this news arrives, you are going to be sorted. You'll be really stable about stuff. You will be composed. You will think it through. If it's a love offer, you will think it through. If it's not a love offer, if it's something has to do with property, anything actually, even if it's a marriage proposal, you are going to be taking things really slow at your pace because you've compromised enough, Gemini. You've got two cards here: 10 of Cups and the Death card. You could be approached by a Scorpio person. And if you are, so for some of you, I'm getting, if you are going to be marrying somebody, Abhi, sorry, if you're going to be marrying somebody in the near future, or if you're going to be considering courting someone who is a prospect husband or a wife, it's going to be great. And this will come after a drastic ending, which I feel has already come, and you've already moved on, and you're moving on, you're healing. Because with the Hermit card, the Five of Cups, and the Hangman together, I feel you are biding time to feel better about yourself and, heal so that you can offer somebody that complete love that they deserve. Yeah, definitely. This could be somebody who is sorted when it comes to emotional well being. They know what they want exactly, and if you are the baby in the relationship, they are ready to father or mother you. It could be a Scorpio person that you're dealing with, as I mentioned. It could be another Gemini that you're dealing with, but you need to get rid of the past addictions, past um, hurt. Sometimes we get so attached to the hurt that we can't see a life beyond it or see a life without being hurt. So you need to change that attitude, Gemini, because this new person who wants to offer you something great with the Six of Wands and the Page of Wands, a lot of communication coming in, and then the King of Cups, it's all about love. Then the Ten of Cups, which leads and which shows that there is a lot of stability and a very beautiful life waiting for you. All you need to do is let go of what doesn't suit you anymore or serve you anymore, Gemini. Yeah, you are coming out from a space where you were left out in the cold. You felt horrible and unworthy of someone's love. But things are changing. With the Wheel of Fortune coming in your reading, guys, I feel things are ending for the better. They're leading you. Now, see the placement Wheel of Fortune and then the Death card. Everything is moving towards a new dawn in your life. All you need to do is have faith and keep healing, but don't go back to, what hurt you in the past. But Gemini, you'll know best. Even if you do go back and reconsider this person from your past, it's only going to lead to turmoil. I said you'll be giving a chance with the other person from your past is because I got this reconciliation card. Yeah. Way options, Gemini. Let's see some oracle messages to get more clarity about your reading. Okay. There is something better. Yes. Oh, I said yes and see this. It's a big yes. Okay, Gemini, there's something better than what has gone. There's something better than the past person. There's something better than reconciling with the person who let you down. And that is this person from the future who has an eye out for you and wants to communicate with you, but they just don't know how you'll respond. So if you already know about this person and if you have a hint of their feelings, about their feelings, just make the move and let them know that you know, and probably you need time, and ask them if they're willing to wait. Why not? See the light by staying grounded. Time is not running out, Gemini. Everything is happening at its own pace. You just need to make sure you are healed before you give in to another relationship because you can't serve from an empty bowl, Gemini. Ooh, you and your loved ones are safe. You've got a new moon in Cancer, new moon in Gemini. Communication is key. And I just mentioned that you should communicate with this person and let them know if you are willing to give another chance to somebody. Give a chance to somebody who wants something new with you, something more stable, something more fulfilling. But if you want time, let them know that as well. Because I feel you owe them that much if they are willing to give you so much love. You owe them that that communication so that it puts them to rest as well. Let's see a message for you from the universe. Okay. Energy flows where my intention goes. Think about what you want because you are going to be investing a lot of energy in your thoughts. Make sure there's something that you really want. Gemini, I hope this reading resonated with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.